Good morning. A new day in Bangkok. I hope you can hear what I'm saying because there's a lot of noise. But today we are going to the hop on and off boat at the river and see some temples. But first we need to take the SkyTrain. And I will show you just how to do it. Start by clicking on English in the right upper side. A map appears and you just have to click on that station you are going to. Also, if you need to change trains, you only put in the final destination. Put in the money and don't forget to take your ticket. So we are at a SOC station and it's also called E4. We are arriving at Saturn Pier with the BTS train. It's very easy to find the tour desk. You just have to walk down the stairs and go towards the water. This hop on and hop off boat service along the river has been around since 2003. There are 11 stops and boat departs every 30 minutes. A single ticket is 40 baht versus an all-day pass which is 150 baht. So I guess it depends on how many places you are going to stop. So we just arrived at the boat terminal. So we got a hop on and hop off boat trip and it's all day passes from 150 baht. So we're going to see some of the temples along the river. We have plans to stop at 4 places today. And that is going to be Wat Arun, Grand Palace, the shopping center Icon Siam, and we are going to finish up at Asiatique, where you find restaurants and entertainment. The first stop was actually Icon Siam, the shopping center, but we are going to take that on the way back. So our first stop is Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. Here in this video you can see many people wearing traditional clothes, in which they have their pictures taken. You can rent the clothes on site. I don't know what it costs though. This temple, Wat Arun, is one of Bangkok's most important Buddhist temples. It's named after Aruna, the Hindu god of dawn, and it is the highest temple in Bangkok. Wat Arun is the private temple of King Rama II, as some of his ashes are kept under the main Buddha image in the ordination hall. This temple is known for its structure and statues and this amazing architecture. And the impressive Buddha's temple is one of the oldest monuments in Bangkok. It is a Buddhist temple, so you have to wear culturally appropriate clothes. That means trousers or long skirts and tops that covers your shoulders. It also means nothing see-through. Once at the pier, it might seem rather chaotic as people keep shouting, but just follow where most tourists go, as they are probably going to the same place as you. Our next stop is going to be the Grand Palace, but first we need to have some lunch. This is spring rolls with prawns, veggies, and cabbage. And this is the map you get when you pay for the ticket. And it's a good map so you can see where the stops are. Ignore every person on the outside of the grounds. They are all scammers. There is a ticket office right inside the gates. It costs 500 baht to enter and the architecture is impressive with lots of cool places for pictures. Remember to wear long pants. Cannot enter wearing shorts or sleeveless clothing. It is the most famous landmark in Bangkok. I have been to the Grand Palace before, and it is an amazing experience. Everything is just so beautiful. It was built in 1782, and for 150 years, it was the home from the King of Thailand. You can decide to buy a guided tour at the Grand Palace, or you can just walk around on your own like we did. Bring water, as inside there is only one shop close to the exit. To be frank, it is a must-see if you are in Bangkok, and it is worth an hour or two of your time. This was used to be the residence of the king, but today it is used for ceremonial events and of course an attraction for tourists. Oh my god, it's so hot. I think it's 35 degrees in the shade. So wow, it's hot. Well, it's nice to cool down. This one, 10 baht, just in front of the Grand Palace. They may arrive a little earlier, so be on time. Now it's time for the next stop, and that is Icon Siam Shopping Center. This video is too long already, so I will make a whole new video about the Icon Siam Shopping Center, just for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day. And on that note, I will look forward to see you right here next Sunday. Bye!
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.